Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Gemini AI versus ChatGPT, which is better. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first things first is we first have to view or know what is Gemini AI and ChatGPT. So Gemini AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system designed to perform tasks related to understanding and generating human-like text. It is developed by Google and is known for its advanced natural language processing capabilities. Now, Gemini AI focuses on contextual understanding, allowing to generate responses that are contextually relevant and coherent. Now, it has been trained on a diverse range of data sources to enhance its language generation capabilities. Now, in this case, on the other hand, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Now, based on ChatGPT 3.5 architecture, it excels in generating human-like text and has been fine-tuned to perform exceptionally well in conversational contexts. And ChatGPT is versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, including answering questions, providing information, and engaging in dynamic conversations. So, just to give you a comparison about this one, on contextual understanding, both Gemini AI and ChatGPT are designed to understand and respond contextually. Now, they leverage vast amounts of training data to ensure their responses and make sense within the given context. Now, with a versatility, ChatGPT is highly versatile, capable of handling various tasks beyond text generation, such as code completion, content creation, and more. It has a wide range of applications due to its flexibility. Now, on training data, both models benefit from extensive training data, but the specific datasets and training methodologies may differ, so impacting the performance and various scenarios. Now, developer accessibility. Now, ChatGPT is accessible through OpenAI's API, making it available for developers to integrate their applications, while Gemini AI's accessibility may depend on its future release plans. So, in conclusion, both of these AI tools are really great as of this moment, but the thing here is, since ChatGPT is currently the oldest one here, or the one that actually existed the longest, it means that ChatGPT has more data that they could actually process or use. Now, AI actually needs a lot of data, and it means that ChatGPT has more information around their model, and in this case, some of the responses and even the capabilities is more advanced if you're going to use ChatGPT. Now, in this case, you might want to use ChatGPT since it's the older one, but still do not underestimate Gemini AI since this one is fairly new. So depending on how the model is being trained or how it's being used or its plan for future releases, Gemini AI could surpass ChatGPT with the correct model. So yeah, so with the capabilities and how or the correctness of information or how it actually responds, ChatGPT is currently leading on it. But in this case, you also want to keep Gemini AI at least at the back of your mind. Well, it's still pretty new, but once it gets more experience or get more data, then probably Gemini AI could be a big competitor with ChatGPT. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.